Okay children, now this exercise will be easy to you because the two letter word of two sets, one is OU and OI, they given combinedly. Now we are going to do the exercise combinedly. Okay, let's read the heading carefully. Say the name of each picture loud. We are going to say the name of the each picture loud. Draw lines. We are going to draw our lines to match with OU. If you have an OU sound from the picture, you are going to match it. Or if you get OI sound, then you are going to match it with here. Okay children, let's do what it is. Okay, let's see which having a OU sound. This is blouse, OU sound. This is not coin, OI sound. Here, this is a pan. No, you're not getting any sound. This is snout, snout, mouse, couch, coil, soil, boil. Okay, these are having the OA and OU sound, isn't it? Okay, let's write the word which having a OU and OI. First letter is, I'm going to write blouse, B L O U S E, blouse. And the second letter is snout, the pig snout, S N O U T, snout. And the third one is mouse, M O U S E, mouse. And the fourth one is couch, C O U C H, couch. Okay, and this OI, we having a coil, soil, and coin. Boil. Is it children? Okay, do you got it? So OI and OI, OU and OI sound. The OU always sounds like ow, ow. OI always sounds I, oi. Okay, what is the sound of OU? Ow, ow. What is the sound of OI? I. Okay, now did you understand what is the different sounds of the two letter words OU and OI? Okay, now let's move to the next exercise.